Faye. Welcome to our home for the month. I know you guys might be wondering why we drove 8 hours from Michigan to here. It has to do with my boyfriend's job, and last time we were here, a lot of people asked what he does for his job. I guess there's a little bit of explaining that kind of ties to the reason why we're here and this house tour, I suppose. I don't know. So if you want to know, then make sure you stay until the end where I explain everything and talk about something that might help you guys out. So make sure to watch until the end if you're curious about his job. First, I want to show you guys the house we're living in for a month, and this is obviously just an Airbnb. We're not renting, nothing like that. Is it recording? It's in action. Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a house tour for you guys.
Damn girl, you got it.
This is the door from the front entrance, or the garage that we come through. And this is a mud room. It's not a mud room, technically just a coat area where we throw our shoes and then we keep going. And there's a bathroom here, which has been used already. Yay! This is the overall view of the place. Yeah, okay, come back to me, come back to me. All right, all right. We have a black countertop marble island kitchen. Then there's this side. Of course, we have our masks. Here's the stove. You know, everything you need in the kitchen. I think this is supposed to be a pantry, but then I stored all of my work stuff in here. Camera equipment and then all my like stuff that I have to film with, like sponsor stuff and just clothes. And then this is the dining area. That's my salad. I'm excited for my salad. Look at this lighting fixture. Open that later because I can't reach it. My favorite part are these chairs. These spin. Okay, all right, let's go upstairs. This is a townhouse, so there's like, what? 2 layers?
3?
So if you come down this way, you see the laundry room here. This is our room, which I love the aesthetic. It's super like clean. Wait, I gotta breathe. It's not a love shirt, I think it's a, does this spin? It spins! We have this plant here, I think it's real. No. We have our bathroom. It's just a bathroom, pretty basic.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart.
We shall go over to that next room, which my sister and nieces are gonna drive down to visit us. We're only a week, so they're gonna occupy those rooms, which is great. Don't worry guys, we're just gonna stay inside, literally in the house. You know, Sissy stays here. She's gonna let it come out and change the temperature. I know. So this is gonna be the room that Sissy's gonna be in. I love the painting in here. I really like the painting upstairs. My favorite part, like this carpet. I like our carpet too. Like I have a thing with carpets where I can slide. And then we have this, is it like a foyer? I don't know, whatever you call it. Earlier I was gonna spit on you, you see it? You can catch it with your mouth. That's what you like, don't you? Window. Then this is the 3rd floor. I'm really out of shape. Is that my double chin area? Up here, I think we're gonna actually, it's like comfy, isn't it? Tic-tac-toe. There's a TV, a bar. You wanna make drinks one night? In the kitchen, there's this thing where you can, I I don't like him. He's cool, but the painting freaks me out. I really like this room. I think I like it more than the living room. And then the balcony area, we're not gonna go outside. But the fireplace is broken, which sucks because we could have had dinner out here with everyone. How's the food?
Good.
Smells nummy.
Want some fries?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. This is soggy.
Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn. And you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that
Off this way into the last part of the house. I actually think this is one of the cutest bedrooms. I really like the frame. Oh, it's the same as our bed. What do you call this? Steve. And there's a closet in here. I love this plant. It's a bamboo plant. I don't know if it's real or not. It's fake. Here's a bathroom. And then we have a random closet right here. It's like the door at the end of the hall. Let's not say that to my niece. I like this painting. I was just like staring at it and I kind of got sleepy. The rug is squishy. This bed also is hard. But you know, the closets are actually really nice in every room. You could go. I did the ending by myself. Okay, you made it. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little house tour. Sorry, it was kind of like low energy, just trying to chill. Anyway, to our conversation. So why are we here? Like I said before, the only reason I'm down here is because my boyfriend's job is based down here. I'm lucky enough that I can work from home and wherever I am remotely. So of course, I tagged along per usual because we're just like that. I'm really excited though. Every time I'm in a new environment, I get really pumped and inspired to re-inspire myself. So girl, this is no vacation. We are working. He too has the option to work from home, hence why we both live in Michigan. But it is sometimes necessary for him to come down to his office to work down here for business and networking purposes. Seriously, Faye, what is his job? I think this is a perfect time for me to personally let you guys know how much he has helped me financially through his profession. And yes, I'm finally sharing this after quite some time now because I've gained enough knowledge where I'm confident to talk about my experience. And I really hope I can help you guys who are lacking in this space just like how I was a couple years ago. What does that have to do with my boyfriend's job? Well, he's a financial advisor. I am low-key, high-key promoting him, so I don't want you guys to be like, oh my god, you're promoting him. I mean, obviously, I love him and I want the best for him, so if I can help, I will help. He has helped me gain so much knowledge and taught me so much within my financial journey. Especially now that investing is so big now. I wish someone told me these things years ago and helped me years ago. I know it's kind of weird that I'm plugging this into this video, but I'm gonna talk about my personal way, how I got into investing and whatnot for my future. Anyway, feel free to leave general questions down below and I'm gonna probably have to ask him to help me answer some things because I am not the professional here. However, we want to give this opportunity for people who are actually really serious about this, and only if you're serious about this, only if you want to take action, you can definitely DM me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you guys want that financial advising, then I'm going to connect you to a person on his team. I'd say if you're in your mid-20s to your 30s, but it doesn't matter if you're younger or older than that. I really want to target this message towards people in that age range because, girl, personally for me, my biggest take from this was was, why am I letting my money rot in my savings account when I can make money with my money? I mean, you're saving it anyway. You might as well invest it, right? Listen, Linda, make money with your money. So here's my story. When I was 24 exact, I remember my wish by 25 was to start investing my money. However, I kept putting it off because I didn't know where to go, who to go to, which company to trust. Literally, like I had no knowledge. I didn't understand anything, like Googling things and researching things on my own. I just didn't understand the investing language. So I gave up easily and just pushed it aside. I didn't have the education behind what it meant to really invest my money or just having a financial plan for my future, which was one of my biggest anxiety-filled worries. I would always go to sleep just thinking about like, what if YouTube ends one day? What am I gonna do with my life? Like, how am I gonna sustain myself? What if I want a family in the future? Like seriously, we're not taught this in high school or as young adults, which I think it's so important to learn these matters because they're actually like life contributing matters. All I knew at 24 was that I wanted to take my money, save it, grow it, and then be financially stable so I can retire and be like, okay, that'll be great. Versus just leaving it in my savings account where it'll grow a toenail worth of investments over years and years. So I turned 24 and a half. It was around December. I clearly remember being in Japan with my friend Mina. I love her. We were like walking in the middle of like, I don't know, Shibuya. I forget what the area we were in. We were like walking through a crowd of like people getting out of work for lunch or something. And we were talking about investments. And she literally told me like, Faye, you really have to start investing. And I don't know what it was about that. It kind of just like pinned in my mind. So I turned 25 and nothing. I didn't know where to start. I meet my boyfriend along the way and I knew he was a financial advisor, but I didn't know what that meant like entirely. I was just like, okay, you advise people's finances or you give advice. And the reason why I didn't know the details of his job is because I didn't want him to know what I did. I never brought up the conversation of, oh, what do you do? Because I don't want him to be like, what do you do? He obviously didn't know I was a YouTuber in the beginning. He starts teaching me and answering my questions that I thought were like really newbie and dumb, but he reassured me that they weren't dumb questions. And to not let that be the reason why I hold back from actually planning my future. I swear it's another language out there. And you guys have to understand that when you're self-employed, for example, me, we get paid through YouTube, but we don't have a retirement plan through your employer. We basically have to figure all that out by ourselves. So that's why, like I said, when I was in my early 20s and I got into this, I was like really concerned about that. I feel like it's a lot to understand at first, but my boyfriend actually like really broke it down for me. So it kind of comforted me through the process. He was good at explaining things, but also letting me know the slight chances that things might go down and then they'll pick back up. So he's like really real and honest. That's just how the market is apparently. But I really appreciate it because I want honesty where my money is gonna be. Anyway, I'm 26 now, turning 27 in May. I can proudly say I'm set. Now I just make my monthly payments and I can go to sleep worry-free about my future. Anyway, I'm not gonna go into details about my plans, but just a brief overview in case you're just like me or you're self-employed or you have a business. Oh, just ignore the train, I'm sorry. My boyfriend set me up with the SEP IRA, which is highly recommended for business owners and if you're just a self-employed individual. It helps with taxes a ton. Trust me, taxes add up and it will eat you in the butt. One of my favorites, he has helped me with my retirement plan, which is quite a special setup in my opinion because I've never heard of this. I didn't know it was an option. I forget what it's called, but it's similar to any kind of retirement plan. Obviously with its own benefits, pros and cons. I think the biggest takeaway from this experience is that it's so important to set up your life. I know we were taught to save our money, but why just let your money sit in a savings account? Make a financially smart move and grow it more efficiently versus what your bank can do for you and plan your future out. At the end of the day, I'm just happy that I'm investing my money for growth and tax benefits with life protection, short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. Most successful people invest their money when they're young and they just let it grow over a period of time. Listen, Linda, I know you work hard, so you might as well make the most and the best out of your hard work. And that's my story. I'm letting you guys know firsthand. So again, if you're serious and you want financial advice, also you want to take action, then make sure you DM me on Instagram, most likely over there. I'll try to set you up with someone to talk to directly via phone. And I know that some of you guys are older than me in your 30s that watch me, which I am honestly grateful for. And it's crazy to me that women who are older than me actually enjoy my content as well. I'm like super proud about that. So if you're interested as well, please for sure let me know. I got got you, girl. But yeah, that is the reason why we are here. Really excited to just pump out new content for 2021. And I'm gonna be vlogging a lot, especially with my boyfriend on my vlog channel. So make sure to subscribe over there. Especially if you want to see this gorgeous home, then subscribe, boo. It is 2021. Let's do big things with our personal life, our careers, our boss lady selves. Let's do it. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.